Okay guys, welcome to the Thursday directions video. Pretty simple day today, just two ed puzzles that we're going to look at. Um, right now they're up here, but tomorrow they'll be down here in today's assignment. So go through both. The first one is just more about like the basics of Islam that we kind of talked about. So this should be a lot of review now after reading the chapter in the book. This one's a little more geared toward Islam and kind of the role in politics. So this one will be more of like the stuff that you learn from this video is more modern, like it'll help you more in the modern day, I would say. Um, Kind of it's history, but obviously this type of history is still happening today. So you just get the two ed puzzles here. You just go through, answer the questions, have headphones on, and once you're done with both of these, it should only take you about maybe 25, 30 minutes to do. The rest of the time should be work time to get some late work done. Late work is due February 26th is the last day to turn in any late work. Anything after that, all the missings just go to zero. So utilize your time wisely when you finish this up. But all right, that's it, guys. Good luck today. Enjoy watching the ed puzzles, and then enjoy kind of having your time to get some stuff done. Talk to you guys later.